Hello, my name's Hicks. I'm a fashion editorial and portrait shooter based here in London, UK. Today we're going to be photographing beautiful Basha with these brand new AEOS 2 Pros. And this is a really nice setup. You know, it's a brilliant headshot. You don't need hardly any room at all to do this. You do it in a corridor. You just need, you know, these three lights tucked in nice and small. So yeah, hardly need any room at all. So it's a great one for a nice quick headshot. This is going to be our key light here. So the one up here, we're going to be running this. This is our white light, if you like, and that's on 5,000 Kelvin. And then this below is our fill light. This is going to be using my new blue preset. And this is a very low power. This is just going to be kissing and just filling in those shadows with a little bit of color. And that's at 10%, so very, very low compared to our key up here, which is only at 4%. And then lastly at the back here, this is our main sort of, you know, feature light for the shot. Is going to be this beautiful pink color, again, part of my gel presets. And again, this is at 80% here at the back, and this is on the R90 softbox. So yeah, really nice, simple setup. Once you get it done, like I said, you can do it in any space. You don't need a huge studio. You can do it in home studios. Yeah, it's a great little headshot setup, and you add tons of color to it as well. That's brilliant, Basha. Thank you. Yeah, love how these are turning out.